Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. If someone new who is watching me for the first time who don't know who I am Rashida from my channel Ashita the Related. I make videos related to DIY, art, craft, lifestyle, fashion, food, travel and much more. You can check out in my bio. Friends, today in this video I will tell you what are the steps to be followed to get your PCC, that is Police Clearance Certificate, done. Guys, please do watch till the end of the video because if you skip at any part you will not get to understand what I am really telling. So please do watch till the end of my video. First, let me tell you what is PCC, that is Police Clearance Certificate. Police Clearance Certificate is an certificate that is issued to an individual from an Indian police authority. Friends, Police Clearance Certificate identifies any criminal cases against your name. If not, police will give an clearance certificate stating that his or her doesn't have any criminal case and she will obey or he will obey to travel. Guys, we need PCC for seeking immigration, that is we are moving from one country to another country, or for dependent or long-term visa, or for applying vocational positions requires clearance certificate. Guys, I will just give a overall glance that what are the steps need to be followed for PCC. Friends, the very first step for PCC is to create a profile on Passport Seva Kendra website. You need to fill up all of your details as per your passport. Friends, after creating a profile on Passport Seva Kendra website, the next step is to pay a fee. You need to pay 500 rupees. After paying fee via online, the next step, that is third step, is to book an appointment. You need to check out what are the dates which is available for PCC and you should book an appointment accordingly. Suppose let me think that I have booked my appointment on April 1st but I am unable to attend on April 1st, then you can change your dates accordingly. You can move it forward or move it backward also. You can move it for 10th also. You can move it for 28th of this month also. You can move it for 28th of March also. And guys, my Passport Seva Kendra office was in Bangalore and there was a weekly off for Saturday and Sunday. Friends, once after clearing the starting 3 steps, the next step is to verifying your documents. You need to go to the PSK office and you need to submit your documents. You need to carry your original documents with photocopy also. Guys, what are the documents you need to carry for PSK? You'll get to know in the application itself. You'll get to know after booking the appointment and paying the fees. You'll get to know what are the things you should carry while going for document verification. Once after the documentation is done, you'll get an acknowledgement slip via message or email. Once after your documentation is done on Passport Seva Kendra, the Passport Seva Kendra team will send your application to a local police station that is in your native. The local police team will call you or they will only come to your place and check with neighbor or next to your home and take with the sign and your photos and all. After local police team verifies you and your identity, the next step is the local police team, that is from local police station, will send your application stating that there is no criminal case against his or her name, so you can give a PCC. They will send a request to PSK again. Once after, the PSK team will get an update that I don't have any criminal case, then they will give an approved PCC certificate. They will give you via post and you will get your PCC done within 15 to 20 days. All this procedure might take 15 to 20 days, but mine it was taken only for 6 days and I applied for dependent visa. Actually, I got my PCC soon when I went to Bangalore PSK office, and once my documentation is done, on that day itself they sent to local police station for an verification, and local police team called me on the second day, that is when I went to PSK office, the second day they called me and they said like you should come there itself, like in local police station itself, and within required documents with originals, and they verified all those things and they sent update that is stating that I don't have any criminal case. Once the PSK team got that update, they sent me within 3 days, so it all took max of 7 days. Friends, I just gave an overall glance or steps to be followed for PCC, and for application of PCC, the Passport Seva Kendra website will be on my description. You can go and check it out once and you can apply there if you want to immigrate. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.